So Peggy and I have just come out of the Ginger Pig, which is basically a butcher's, but they do a bit of food as well. Peggy went for this.
It's a spicy lamb pie.
Sausage roll, yeah. And you can see by the size of it, it's massive. I think that was about £4. And then I went for this, which is basically a pulled pork roast with
some potatoes.
With roasted potatoes, carrots, and some salad as well. So this was about £6, I think. And every day they have a different roast that they have on. And now we're actually sitting in a park just next door. So Peggy's going to take her first bite of this monstrosity.
It's massive.
Is it even going to fit in your mouth?
I don't know whether to eat the pastry or the meat.
Looks like you got a bit of both. Is it good? Yeah?
I think I just got pastry.
It's supposed to be quite spicy. No? Can't taste too much. Really tasty. Yummy.
How much was it?
£4, I think.
It's like a whole meal.
Yeah, it does look quite big. I mean, it says it's a sausage roll, but it is huge.
Yeah, I'd get it.
It looks meal worthy.
So Sam's eating his roast now. What do you think of the pulled pork?
Good. It's got some sauce in it. It's kind of sweet and sour, I'd say. Gonna have potato. That's a good roast. It's not traditionally English, but it's good quality. So that lunch was from a butcher's called the Ginger Pig. There's quite a few of them, but the one we went to was near Baker Street Station, which is the same place where Madame Tussauds is. This is incredible. So we've got pistachio, honeycomb, and chocolate and hazelnut.
Yummy.
So I'm going to try a bit of honeycomb and chocolate. Oh my god.
What? Is it very
So
nice?
good.
Oh.
It's such a nice, strong, creamy flavour. I could eat the whole pot, I think.
It was only like £6 for 3 scoops.
£6 for 3 scoops.
Well, you could get 1 scoop for £4, or 2 for £5, or 3 for £6. Obviously, no. Yeah, 3 for £6. So obviously we got 3.
Bit green. So this is a Biscoff donut that we got from Doughnut Time. We managed to get away from the busyness of the front of the shop and found somewhere where we can actually eat. It looks amazing though, doesn't it? We only went for a small one. Some of the big ones are like £15 to £20, which is ridiculous.
That was ridiculous.
But they would to feed about 5 people, I guess.
Called Chris Hemsworth.
Good? Yeah?
I'm gonna get the biscuit.
Go for it. Mouth's not big enough.
What?
You did. Is it a good taste combo? Yeah? Looks amazing. Try some in a sec. Peggy, what do you think of the donut?
It's really nice, but I think there was like more hype, like more internet hype.
Yeah.
But it is actually really good.
It's super sweet, isn't it?
I'd probably recommend sharing with someone, or eat the whole one yourself.
A place called Flatiron, which is a steak place. This is the Tottenham Court Road one. We originally went to the Leicester Square one. They said it would be 3 hours wait. Came here and managed to just get in. Apparently, if we hadn't got in now, it would be a 2-hour wait.
And it's a Saturday night.
And it's a Saturday night and it's about 7 o'clock. So if you want to come here, you need to get here probably about 5-ish, I'd say. And then you'll probably be fine. But if you try and come at this kind of time, you're going to be waiting forever.
Yeah.
Food is amazing.
It's very cheap as well.
Yeah. We'll show you when we get there. Food's arrived. Peg and I have both gone for a flat iron steak. We've got some chips, we've got cabbage, which is the greens of the day, and then 2 peppercorn sauces. And the best thing is you also get to eat it with the cream. Peggy, what do you think of the food? Good? Peggy, what do you think of the food? What's your favourite bit?
Steak.
Yeah? Peppercorn sauce. Nice. So we've just come out of Flatiron. We had an amazing meal there, as we always do. It cost us £34 with tip for the 2 steaks, which is incredible in London. You can't really get that anywhere else, which is why it's a firm favourite and why it's always incredibly busy. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and let us know if you want us to do any other videos of food in London.